we are going to learn about our topic number 31, decimal to binary conversion. So let's look at decimal to binary conversion. So in the previous video we have learned about the number system. Now in this video we are going to learn about the decimal to binary conversion. So let's look at how decimal is converted into binary. So as we have studied about the number system, that number system has been classified into this flowing part, that is decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system and hexadecimal number system. And we have dealing with the topics of it, that decimal number system base is 10, the base of binary number system is 2, the base of octal number is 8 and the base of hexadecimal number system is 16. Now we are just going to learn about that how decimal number system is converted into binary number system. Okay, so let's look at that how to convert decimal number system into binary number system. Decimal to binary conversion. So in decimal to binary conversion, integer part is divided by base of binary. Okay, so if you want to convert decimal to binary, then you must have to think about that the integer part is divided by base of binary, and we know the base of binary is 2. And okay, so we can say that we have to divide integer part by the base of binary for the conversion of decimal to binary, and send remainder bottom to top for output. Send remainder bottom to top for output. So we can say that in decimal to binary conversion, integer part is divided by the base of binary, that is 2, and we have to set the remainder from bottom to top for the output. So let's see that how we will perform. And the second point is saying us that about the fraction part. If that decimal number is in a fractional part, then what we will do? So fractional part multiplied by base of the binary. So if we can understood, or we can say that the fractional part multiplied by the base of binary. If there is a fractional part in the decimal value, then you have to multiply by the base of its binary. And base of binary, we know that it is going to be 2, because we have learned that the base of binary is 2. And also set the carry from top to bottom. So you need to approach from top to bottom here. But here for a decimal value which is an integer part, you have to divide the base of binary by 2 and send remainder from bottom to top for the output. But in the fractional part, you have to multiply the base of the binary and not to divide. You have to multiply the base of the binary by 2 and also send the carry from top to bottom. Okay. Now let's look at the examples of it. That I have to convert 25 as a decimal number here into binary number system. So this is a decimal number system because its base is 10, and we have to convert it into the binary number system. So here you are seeing that we have a 25 number here. So for conversion of a decimal into binary, for the integer part, we have learned that we have to divide it by the base of the binary, that is 2. So we are just dividing it with the base of binary, that is 2 here. So it is divided here. So 2 is divided with 25, gives us the remainder 1 here and 12 here. Okay, 2 is again divided by 12, so giving us the remainder 0 here. Again you are seeing that 2 is divided by this number, that is 6, so giving us 0 here because it is not giving any remainder because 2 is divisible by 6. Because 6 is divisible by 2, therefore the remainder is 0. And again you are seeing here that this number is divisible by 2, therefore it is giving us 3, and we know that when 3 is divided by 2, it gives us the remainder 1, and in the same way when 1 is divided by 2, it gives us the remainder 1. So this is what we have learned, and we have learned that we have to follow the remainder from bottom to top, therefore we have to write 1 1 0 0 1. Therefore I have written 1 1 0 0 1. Okay, and this is the conversion. of 25 decimal number system into the binary number system. So you can convert this into this way. Okay. So this is an approach through which you can convert decimal number system into binary number system. So you must have to follow the rules. And what rule says? If you want to convert a decimal to binary conversion, then integer part is divided by the base of binary. Okay. Integer part is divisible by the base of binary. And what we have performed here is that we have divided the base. We have divided the integer part with the base of binary, and we know that the base of binary is 2. Therefore, we get the output here in the decimal to binary form. Now, and also it is saying that send the carry from top to bottom. What it is saying that send remainder bottom to top for output for the integer part. So for because it is an integer part, therefore we have to send the remainder from bottom to top, and that's why we have written 11001, and we have not write it, or we have not written here that like 10011. We have written from bottom to top, and that is 11001. So here 11001 is following the rule of the conversion of integer part, that is first divide it with the base of binary, that is 2, and follow the bottom to top approach. Okay, so this is how you can convert the decimal number system into binary number system. Okay, now I have another question, that is convert an integer part which is the decimal number system into binary number system. So this is same as what we have learned in the previous question. So you need to do that. It is divisible by 2. So I am dividing it with 2. Therefore I get a remainder 1 here, and value is 70. Again I am dividing it with 2. I am getting the remainder 1 here. Again I am dividing it with 2. Again we haven't get any remainder, therefore 0. Again we have divided it with 2. We get remainder 0 here. Again we are dividing it with 2. We get remainder 0 here. And again we are dividing it with 2, and we are getting a remainder 1. So what we need to approach is that we need to follow from bottom to top approach. That is, we have to write 10001. Therefore I have written 10001 here. So this is the way that the integer part, which is 35, which is a decimal number system, converted into binary number system. So this is how you can convert a decimal number system into binary number system. Okay. Now I have another question, that is the fractional part. For the fractional part, so you need to consider here 2 steps. That is, solve the real part, and after solving the real part, you have to solve the fractional part, because you have learned about the integer and fractional part also, that how to convert the integer into a decimal. We can say binary number system, because integer is also a decimal number system, and fraction is also a decimal number system. So these have to be converted into 2 rules, because we have studied that the fraction is multiplied by the base of the binary, but we have studied that integer part is divided by the base of the binary. So these are the 2 different things, and in the integer part we follow the bottom to top approach. But in the fractional part, we have to follow the top to bottom approach. So here you can see that this is the integer, 35 is the integer here. What 0.75 is the fractional part. So for this part we have to follow the integer rule, and for this part we have to follow the fractional rule. Now, so step 1 saying us that solve for real part. So 35 is the real part. So you need to solve this first. Therefore I have solved this, because 35 is divisible by 2 and gives us the remainder 1 here, and again we divide it with the 2, send us remainder 1 here. Again 8 is divisible by 2, send us remainder 0 here. Again 4 is divisible by 4, send us remainder 0 here. Again 2 is divisible by 2, send us remainder 0 here. Again 1 is divisible by 2, send us remainder 1 here. So what we need to conclude here from the fact is that we have to follow the bottom to top approach. Therefore, we can write 100011 here. Therefore, I have written 100011 here. And this is how we can convert an integer part into a binary number system. Now, let's look at for the fractional part. So, step 2 says us that solve for the fractional part. So, here you are seeing that we have a fractional part that is 0.75. This is a binary, we can say this is the decimal number system because its base is 10, and we have to convert this decimal number into binary number system because its base is 2. Now, what we have studied in the fractional part is that multiply with the base of the what? Binary number system. Therefore, I am multiplying it with the base of binary number system, and we have gotten 1.50. So, therefore, it will carry 1 here. And again, I am just dividing the fractional part, that is 1.50 into 2, giving us the remainder, giving us the value 1.00, and therefore it carry 1 here again. So the value, we can say the decimal conversion of this number is this binary number system. So 0.75 converted into the binary form like this. So this is how you need to solve the fractional part as well as the integer part to convert a decimal number system into binary number system. So this was the output of overall fractional part. So thanks for watching. Dhanyavad.